Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I wanted to make a quick video before I start running. I only have like a minute or two before I start, so I wanted to make this fast. Jobs report came in bad. Everything came in higher. I'm not really going to go into that because I'm not really a big fundamentals trader. I only care about fundamentals, maybe like big reports like CPI or FOMC, things like that. Jobs report every so often, but it doesn't necessarily change my sentiment on the market. It did come in bad, so again, I do expect us to drop all the way back down. You did gap up extremely hard, right? From close because of Apple earnings. Even though Apple earnings wasn't really that good, Apple earnings was actually pretty bad. The only thing that saved them was the iPhone, which personally I think is very bad earnings. If you only have one segment of your portfolio, of your diverse portfolio save you, right? Then I see that as bad. And the services also came down, which is also their nitty gritty. It's just, it didn't come in as good as everybody thought it was. I personally think it's really bad because it just kind of supports the idea that everybody's starting to get hit little by little, right? SPY or SPX at close yesterday was somewhere on this 406, 405 level, pushed up here to 409 overnight. I'm actually adding more shorts right now. I think we're in 26 minutes when this hour closes. I'm going to be adding more shorts. I think today we have a really strong chance of dropping all the way down to 405. I don't think we're going to keep pushing up. We did close the 8 hour, or we can close it in 25 minutes. So I want to see if this closes. Generally on the 8 hour, it does like to push up pretty nicely, but it also likes to push up, you know, maybe 2-3 points and then come right back down. So you have had cases like that on perfect entries, right? So perfect entry, you pop, drop, and then run again. And then you do have cases like this where you push from 390 all the way up to like 406. So about, you know, $16 to $15, which I don't think is going to happen this time because I think you actually might get canceled out, and the news is actually going to push this down further. So me personally, I think we've already hit a top right now. We could definitely see us going maybe a little bit higher on the day, maybe all the way up to like 410 before dropping, but I'm essentially shorting this whole level. I don't know if it's going to make it back to trend. If you look at the SPY chart, just the SPY chart alone, right? You're basically going to open at gap fill, right? So I can see us opening up at gap fill, go up a little bit to retest that trend at 408 SPY, and then drop from there. But overall, still pretty bearish on the whole market, down to 385 and the next, you know, within the next 60 days or something. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.